Scooter of the week, yeah.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scooter of the Week. I am your host, Greg, and today I wanted to discuss the Victory LX Sport by Pride Mobility. Now, if you're not familiar with the Victory LX Sport, it is one of Pride's, I'd consider it more of a heavy-duty, full-size scooter. You'd more than likely need a lift if you wanted to travel with this because it's rugged. It's a big one. I'll start off actually with the wheel size just so you can get an idea. The wheels are 10.5 inches in diameter, so it's a big scooter. Yeah, Victory LX Sport. So you've got your full suspension. This is great for, in the grass, doing stuff around the yard. So you've got the full suspension. It has full lighting, turn signals, all that stuff. Great thing about this scooter is the seat. So you get the full captain seat with an adjustable headrest, height adjustable armrests, up and down, in and out. And then you have the slide track actually, so you can slide the seat back and forth, which is a great feature, as well as adjust the tiller back and forward. So you can make it, you can get as comfortable as you need to with this scooter. Comes in the two beautiful Pride colors. Their standard candy apple red always looks good on a scooter, and then their Viper blue always looks great on a scooter. So we've got that 400-pound weight capacity. So at 400 pounds, you're going to get at least 13 miles per charge. That's a huge driving range, but at 200 pounds, if the user's only 200 pounds, you're going to get nearly 20 miles per charge. So you can't beat that. Mentioned the suspension. It's Pride's patented CTS suspension. And yeah, what else we got? Nice little storage compartment under the tiller, which is nice for a scooter. You could put anything right in there, as well as if you get a basket, stuff like that. So this has a 8 mile per hour maximum speed, so it's fast as well. My favorite thing on this actually has like an eco and I guess sport mode. So if you click it down to eco, it's only going to top out at 4 miles per hour. And putting it into sport, you're going to top out at 8. You still also have that speed dial. So a lot of controls. You can really customize this, for your comfort, and it's sporty. It's a beautiful scooter. So check out the Victory LX Sport by Pride Mobility. Call AutoMobility Store if you have any questions on it. 800-431-3183.